The first type of carboxylic acid reaction that we'll go over is oxidation. We're specifically looking at a primary alcohol, and then we're going to oxidize that all the way to a carboxylic acid. So what we could use either one of these oxidizing agents. And what essentially happens in the beginning is starting with our primary alcohol. If we oxidize this and use something that's a bit weaker, that's going to allow us to get to an aldehyde, as we saw before with oxidation of alcohols. Next, if we use the same oxidizing agent that it's still not as strong, that's going to allow us to get to a carboxylic acid. Now, this specifically is the synthesis, meaning how we get to form a carboxylic acid. We can start off with the primary alcohol and then use either a weak oxidizing agent twice or a strong oxidizing agent once. So for example, we could have something like this, where this